What's up, guys? Welcome to the shop today. We are working on the foxbody. Going racing this weekend. And we got some work to do. So you see how behind the seats here, there's no bar, right, to hook my harnesses to. So I'm gonna put a bar in there because I need harnesses, and then I think I need a coolant to overflow, finish up some welding on the cage, so should be a fun time. So now I'm gonna get the seats out, get some of this foam padding out of here, and have to go get a piece of pipe, and then we'll do some bends, and then we'll cut her up, and then we'll weld her on, you know? But I'll set you up, we'll get these seats out. All right, we got the foam off, we got the seats out. Everything's looking good. Ready to go. I'm gonna have to grind off the old pieces here. All right, we got all the measurements taken. I am gonna run into town and grab a piece of pipe. So it's the next day. We got the pipe in the bender. We're gonna bend it up, get it in the car. At least maybe tacked in for today. Don't quite know yet, but I'll set you up so you can watch. Okay, we got the pipe bent. Now we need to cut the ends off. We're gonna hold it up in there and see how she fits. Check it out. That's where it's gonna be.
Looks good.
Sweet. So now I'm gonna grind out this old bar remnants, both sides. So I'm gonna cover up some stuff with a blanket, and I'll put you on a time lapse so you can watch. Okay, so we got bars cleaned up, bar cleaned up. That's be nice, so that's not there anymore. Now I'm gonna notch the ends of this pipe so it'll fit onto that pipe nice and don't have to fill some big old gaps. But I'm gonna notch this out a little bit, both sides. And maybe we'll get her tacked in there. All right, get this baby in here. Oh, jeez. So,
How's it look, bub?
got some gappage over there. Check it out. Do we just need to warp it? Yeah.
Well, I think it's because of
Tack one side and then.
I think the other side is not centered.
Oh, it's.
Let me see.
She just needs to be squeezed a little.
Yeah, I think we could probably just tack it and squeeze it.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. .1 of a degree. I don't think that's anything to tussle about.
I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get out of this hole I'm in.
Yeah. Woo! She's in. We got. It's looking good. You know? Can hook some harnesses to that.
Figured I'd finish that up while I was.
Yeah, little by little. But so it's getting late. Time for some food, some sleep. We'll be back tomorrow. So see you like that. It's the next day. I already did a couple things. Sorry about it, but I got the bar finish welded up. It's in there. I put my seat back in there because you know. You need a seat to drive, so put the seat back in there. Gonna get my harnesses out and stuff and put those all on and, you know, get them mounted so we can go racing tomorrow. And then I'm still not quite sure what I'm gonna do about my coolant overflow tank. I haven't been able to find one in town, so that might be an issue, but we'll see. All right, seats are in. Got some marks right here where I'm gonna put my mounts for the harnesses. I'm gonna drill a hole and then thread the seat chingus to all the way into the nut. Stick the stud here so you can see what I'm talking about. Stick that in the bar and then weld the nut to the bar. So that's my plan. All right, got those blasted on there. I'm gonna let them cool off and we'll put the belts on. And then we'll get the hood off and get to the coolant bottle. I found one, so we'll get that in there too. All right, harnesses are in there. Seats in there. I'll adjust them in the morning, but oh, coolant bottles in there. Hold on. Get you around all the shit here. Coolant bottles in there. Hanging the hose in the warmth so it'll straighten out because it was all folded up. But then got a couple full bottles down here. Dad's got the slicks on the truck. I think we're about ready. We're gonna gather some tools and put the truck on the trailer in the morning, I think. So I'm excited. We're gonna see what happens. Wait for the next video, you're gonna find out.